Hello mga ka-arts! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will share to you this DIY something that I make to clean my palette in an easy way. Okay, let's begin with the materials. We need a sharpener. We also need this glue stick or stick glue. I don't know what do you call it, but in our country we call it glue stick. And then we also need this screwdriver and also a lighter. First step, we need the sharpener and the screwdriver, and we will remove the screw of one of the blades in the sharpener. After removing the screw, we will get this blade that is in the sharpener, but please be careful because it's sharp. The next is this glue stick. You will cut it according to however long you want, but for me I want it to be short. And the next step, we will get the blade, the glue stick that we cut earlier, and the lighter. So we will light up the one end of the glue stick and make it softer a little bit. After that, get the blade and put it like that, but make sure that the sharp edge of the blade is on the opposite direction where the glue stick is. And after it cools down a little bit, just squeeze it like that. Please be careful with this step because you may burn your fingers, but I mean, make sure that it's not that hot that you will burn your fingers, but make it a little cooler so that you can touch it. On this part of the video, I'm not satisfied with my first attempt, so I remove it, and then now is my second attempt to put the blade on the glue stick. At this point, I'm just polishing the side of the blade so it will not rub on the glass. Just make sure that it's flat enough so it will not, so when you scrub the paint, it will not touch the glass or the palette. What I mean is the glue stick. You need to polish it so that it will not touch the palette. And there you have it, your very own DIY palette cleaner. So let's put it into the test. As you can see, it removes the paint. Actually, the blade itself can remove the paint, but it's hard to hold it. So we put the glue stick so it will be easy for us to hold and scrape up all the dry paint. So the first one I make is a little wobbly because the glue stick is still new and it's not that stiff yet, so I will use my old DIY glass cleaner. So as you can see, it's a little tougher and it removes the paint very easily. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it did, please like, subscribe to this channel and share this video to those people who are struggling to clean their palette, because you know, dried paint on your palette is really it's really hard to clean it. And thanks so much for watching. See you again on my next video. And also also those dried paints that I removed from my palette, I put it in this container because, you know, it's so beautiful seeing all those different colors in one container. So I put all of them there, and yeah, bye.